Hi friends, it's me Rajkumar. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube using layer by layer method. At first we have to choose any of the color and make a cross of that color. Like this. In my case, I'm going to choose red color and make a cross of red color. But I'm going to collect all these red color edge pieces to its opposite side. Here. Now we have all 4 red color pieces, edge pieces are here, and we have to move these 4 color pieces to 180 degree. Rotate these 4 color pieces to 180 degree. Before doing that, let us assemble these 2 colors together like this. 2 blue color pieces are together here. It's in good condition, and rotate this side in 180 degree like this. Now yellow color. The 2 yellow color pieces are arranged together, and that's why rotate this to 180 degree. And green color, these 2 green color pieces and 1 red color are arranged together. That's why rotate these to 180 degree, and another 2 white color pieces are arranged together. That's why rotate it to 180 degree. Now we got it. Perfect red cross and these 2 same color pieces arranged together. Now next stage is to search these corner pieces and bring them here. Now here is 1 red corner piece, and it has one side red, another is yellow, and another is green. That's why it goes between yellow color and green color. That's why put these to right bottom corner and apply one formula. R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D. We have to repeat this formula until this piece goes to its correct place. R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D. Yeah, this color piece went to its correct place. And here is another corner piece of red color. It has a red, blue and white color, and you should place it between blue and white color. There's blue and blue and white, and apply the same formula, putting it to right bottom corner. R prime D prime R D. Yeah. went to its correct place. Now another corner piece is here. It has yellow and blue. It's yellow and blue. Put it between yellow and blue and right bottom and apply the same formula. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. It also went to its correct place, and we have left one piece, and that's it. And put it to the right bottom and apply the same formula. R prime, D prime, R, D. Yes, we got it. We solved one layer. Yeah? Yes, we solved one layer. And with this layer, we have arranged these pieces also. These pieces also. Now, for the next level, we have to bring these color pieces to this place, and there is white and blue. This color piece should go to this place and put it in front and apply this formula. If it goes to right side, you have to apply this formula. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Yes, this piece went here. And yellow and blue. This piece blue and yellow. This piece also goes to this side, so that we have to apply the same formula. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Yes, this piece also went to its correct place. Now we have green and yellow. This piece goes to its left side, and that's why we have to use next formula. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Yes, this also went to its correct place. Now we have white and green. There is white and green. Here is this piece also goes to left side. That's why we have to repeat this same formula. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Yes. We solved these two layers. Now we have only one layer left. After solving these two layers, once again we have to make a cross of the same color, which is in the opposite side of the first color we chose. In our case, this is orange color, and sometimes these orange color pieces are arranged together. Sometimes we have little L. If you have little L, you have to put that little L to the left up corner, and you have to apply this formula twice. And if you have these straight lines, you have to apply this formula once. F R U R prime U prime Fm. Yes, we got cross of the orange color. Then we have to arrange these edge pieces together. We have got these all pieces arranged together. If these pieces are not arranged together, we have to apply this formula. Yeah. We have to repeat this formula again and again until these pieces are arranged in correct order. After arranging these 4 edge pieces, we have to search for the corner piece, so which one is in correct position. And apply this formula. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And then we got these 2 corner pieces arranged together, and we have left only 2 corner pieces. Now hold this in your left hand, and apply this formula. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. This piece is arranged correctly, and only this one is left. And bring this to the same position. Do not move other part, and apply the same formula. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. And we have solved the Rubik's Cube.